好，我们来看一下这一道题 ，Environmental Policy Course。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看一下第一部分。Along with customary classes， 注意这是复数 ，on subjects such as finance, accounting, and marketing。这里呢是并列关系，所以呢我们可以用声调 and， 注意 and marketing。Today's MBA students are enrolling on courses for environmental policy and 这个单词 stewardship 不要读成了 steward，OK， stewardship。我们连起来读一下。Along with customary classes on subjects such as finance, accounting, and marketing.Today's MBA students are enrolling on courses for environmental policy and stewardship. 第二部分 Indeed， 注意这个 D。Indeed, more than half of 对不对？前后连在一起。More than half of business schools require a course in environmental sustainability. Or 前面可以有一个 tiny pause. Environmental sustainability 多音节词 or corporate social responsibility 又一个多音节词，所以这两个多音节词呢，大家一定要格外注意一下。According to a survey on 91 US business schools published in October 2005. 连起来读一下。Indeed, more than half of business schools require a course in environmental sustainability or corporate social responsibility, according to a survey of 91 US business schools published in October 2005. 好，下面呢，我们把两部分连在一起。整段话呢还是比较简单的，对不对？单词没有很难，只是呢，在个别处我们注意这个语气，要格外注意一下这个调，因为有些地方是并列关系，我们是可以用声调的。OK， 我们来读一下。Along with customary classes on subjects such as finance, accounting, and marketing, today's MBA students are enrolling on courses for environmental policy and stewardship. Indeed, more than half of business schools require a course in environmental sustainability or corporate social responsibility, according to a survey of 91 US business schools published in October 2005. All right, thank you guys.